Hello, Dadgineering. I got one for you. I should have done this a long time ago. I should have posted this. This was probably one of the inspirational projects that I did that, may say, yeah, you should put this online and stuff like that. So apologize for taking forever to put this out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. My wife and I, we was, she didn't want a TV. I did want a TV. And so push this button. And the TV comes out the dresser, turn it on, and good to go. All right, so turn it off and close it. Okay, let me show you the side. And so I have this wireless RF switch, and I bought this online. I'll put the link, and you can configure it different ways. And so what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and close this and show you the mechanics behind everything and how it works. Back. Okay, so basically there's a couple things. I purchased these two together. It was basically a double pull, double throw switch that's already wired and radio transmits, and you can configure it to the different ones. So I got A for open and C for close, and basically that is wired to an actuator for I think it's a GM vehicle. I bought it online. I believe it was eBay for about $50 brand new. Then I knew I needed something light. The whole casing is wood, and I just added that to the back of this dresser. The original plan was to go into the dresser, but I wanted a 32-inch TV, and this configuration was a little bit wider, so I went ahead and I just added this to the back of it because I wasn't sure if it would work from the idea that I had. The actuator, they came all assembled, and so all I had to do was bolt it to here, and then I got a little cage for the TV to ride on. Originally it was wood, but that was proved to be too heavy. So what I did was I used PVC piping to build like a frame for the TV to sit in and to push it up. What that did was allow me to for it to be lighter to go up and down. Also, for the DC power, I just use an inverter from AC to DC. Output is 12 volts, 7 amps. And so it raises it pretty good. I believe that was $20. I purchased that, and then I actually purchased the mechanics before I purchased the TV. So I kind of had to adjust it as I got it. And so that pretty much is how it works. Also, what I did was use extra long drawer slides so that when it comes up, there's no way that it would go forward or backwards, because it's like a drawer standing up, coming up. And so that way I would never have to worry about the TV leaning back or anything like that. The first couple times it was scraping the wall. I put some electrical tape over the screws, but I just put some stops, doubled them up. That way it would sit out from the wall perfectly so it wouldn't scrape the wall when it went up. That was the major stuff. The mechanics, this motor can push this up, and what I found is that sometimes it would pull it loose. And so what I ended up doing was gluing it with piping glue. I'll show you it going up from the back. The way I configured the switch is when you let go, it stops using the motor. Another thing I had to do was drill some stops for the track so that it wouldn't go over the track. It wouldn't come and pop off. So that was one thing I had to do to limit the distance that it would travel. Use a real thin wood on the outside. It's basically a 2x4 thin wood casing, and even the top is a real thin wood like that. So it worked out really good. Like I said, see with the drawer slides, it doesn't go backwards or forward, so that really helps with that. That's it. I'm interested in your comments. Just let me know. This was one of the inspirations for Dadgineering, so you can totally build this yourself and have a great time. You watch the TV, and if you don't watch the TV, you can just close it for the night and be good to go. One more look with it against the wall. Oh yeah, the TV is a Roku TV. That worked out good because, you know, it's a smart TV. And so total cost, well, not including the wood because I kind of had it laying around the garage, but total cost for this was under $200. That's with the TV. I got the TV on Black Friday deal for like $99. So including all the electronics and to do it, I paid under $200. Thanks for watching Dadgineering. Peace.